Import Excel into Google Calendar. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Windows on your computer and make sure you are on the main desktop screen. Next, move to the search bar and type Google Chrome into it. When the search results appear, click to open Google Chrome on your computer so that the browser launches properly. After the browser launches, place your cursor in the address bar at the top of the window. Type Google Calendar in the address bar and press Enter on your keyboard to begin searching for the service. From the search results, find and click on the official Google Calendar website to ensure you are accessing the correct platform. Once the page loads successfully, the Google Calendar dashboard will appear on your screen, displaying your schedule and calendar layout. Next, look through the calendar and select the date where you want to add a reminder with an Excel file attached. Take a moment to review the calendar carefully to ensure you choose the correct day for the reminder. After identifying the appropriate date, click on your chosen date to create a new event. When you click the date, a pop-up menu will appear that contains several fields for creating your event. In this menu, locate the section labeled Title. Enter a clear and descriptive title in the Title section so that you can easily recognize the event later. After entering the title, move to the Date and Time section. Click on the Date and Time section to edit the reminder details if needed. This allows you to adjust the schedule according to the exact time you want the event to occur. Once the date and time settings are correct, scroll down through the event options until you find the section labeled Add Description or a Google Drive attachment. Carefully locate the part that mentions a Google Drive attachment. Then click on the Google Drive attachment section to add a file to your event. After clicking this option, the page view will change and display the Google Drive file selection interface. In this section, you will see your stored files from Google Drive. Before continuing, make sure the Excel file you want to include has already been uploaded to Google Drive so it can be selected. Once you confirm that the file is available, click on the Excel file you have selected. After selecting the file, click the Insert button located in the bottom right corner of the window. The system will attach the file to your event. Once you return to the previous event creation view, review the information carefully, then click Save to save your event containing the Excel file attachment.